Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import data in Zoho Books so you can bulk upload your customers, items, and invoices to save hours of manual entry in 2026. Let's get into it. First, import your customers and contacts. The first step to setting up your books is bringing in your client list so you can start billing immediately. In the left sidebar, click on the Sales dropdown and select Customers. Look at the top right corner, click the three-dot More icon and select Import Customers. Zoho's Customer Import tool is highly intuitive. By importing your contacts first, the system can automatically link any future invoices or projects to the correct person, ensuring your accounts receivable stays organized from day one. Next, import your items and inventory. Once your customers are in, you need to upload the products or services you provide to keep your pricing consistent. Navigate to the Items tab in the sidebar and select Items or Services. Click the More icon in the top right and select Import Items. This is the product engine of your business. In 2026, importing your items via CSV allows you to bulk assign SKUs, tax rates, and purchase prices. Once these are uploaded, they will appear as a searchable dropdown whenever you create a new transaction, eliminating manual typing. Lastly, import your invoices and sales history. The final step is bringing in your past or pending transactions to ensure your financial reports are accurate for 2026. Go back to the Sales tab and click on Invoices. Click the More icon in the top right, select Import Invoices, and upload your file. Importing invoices is the most critical step for your balance sheet. In 2026, the Import tool acts as a logic gate. It will verify that the invoice date and total amount match your mapping. Once successful, these records will immediately populate your profit and loss reports, giving you a real-time view of your business health. And that's pretty much it. To import data in Zoho Books for 2026, navigate to the Customers, Items, or Invoices tabs in the sidebar. In each section, click the three-dot icon in the top right to find the Import option, upload your CSV, and carefully map your headers to ensure every record lands in the right place. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.